Excel checkboxes are simple to use, but most people have no idea how powerful they actually are. Give me about 1 minute and I'll show you how to insert them, style them, calculate with them, and build automatic logic based on whether a checkbox is checked or not. Let's get started. To insert the new checkboxes, select the cells you want to add them to, navigate to the Insert tab, and select the checkbox command. Excel treats these checkboxes just like regular text, so you can style them using the format commands on the Home tab by updating the color, adjusting their size, or realigning them. Now here's the part that makes these checkboxes so valuable. When a checkbox is checked, the cell value is automatically set to true, and when it's unchecked, it's set to false. This means you can reference checkboxes directly in formulas and calculate values based on whether a checkbox is checked or not. For example, if we want to calculate how many orders have been completed, all we'd have to do is count the number of values that are equal to true in column D. Just enter COUNTIF, select your checkboxes as the range, and enter true as the criteria. Enter the formula, and now every time a box is checked, the count automatically updates. Let's take this one step further and add a column that automatically flags whether each order is incomplete or in progress as we check them off. To do this, all we'd have to do is enter the if function, select the checkbox cell as the logical test, enter complete in double quotes as the value of true argument to return complete if the checkbox is checked, and enter in progress in double quotes as the value of false argument to return in progress if the checkbox is unchecked. Fill the formula down the column, and now every time we check off an order, the status updates automatically. This is just scratching the surface of what is possible with Excel's checkboxes, and now you know everything you need to get started with them. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips.